Hello friends, welcome back to my channel I Can Cook Too. My name is Manish
And my name is Andy.
and we are going to cook pizza today with my niece Myra. She is in Chelmsford, UK, and it's going to be a fun today, right Andy?
Yep.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen.
Myra, what are we going to make today?
Pizza.
What do we need to make pizza?
Flour.
Yeast.
Yeast. Water. Tomato sauce.
Right here we have pizza bread, which we got from Costco. We also have pizza sauce, cheese, and more cheese. And we have a lot of vegetables, which I don't like. Let's put some olive oil on this bread. So now what we're going to do is spread it. Once you spread most of your oil, what you want to do is take a large spoon. And you want to take your tomato sauce, bread sauce, and you want to put it on the bread like so. You might want to put everything because then it tastes better that way. And once you got everything, you want to take all the small bits. And then what you want to do is you want to start to spread it with the spoon itself.
Yep. So Myra, what are you going to add in that right now?
We're gonna put water. Little water.
Myra, अजून पाणी टाक. कमी आहे पाणी ते.
Now mix it. Also, look at chicken.
Next, what we're gonna do is take the vegetables, and spread it along the tomato sauce. And of course, I'm not gonna eat this pizza because I don't like vegetables. This cheese is for me.
You are going to eat vegetables.
No!
You are.
No.
Okay.
We mix the flour, the water together. Mix it. Mix it. Now we're going to take a small dough and roll it in our hand. We're going to put this dough into a flour and then put it down.
Okay, good job, Myra. What are you gonna do with that now?
We're gonna roll the roller pin to the chopper.
So this really looks colorful right now. And you can see it's a mixture of chilies and tomatoes. And it's really cool.
We have to put it like this, like this. And mix the holes into the pizza base.
Do it in the middle, Myra, not there on the sides. It's all in the middle, random places. Yeah, keep doing.
Now we're gonna put the
Tomato sauce.
tomato sauce, spread it everywhere.
Spread करायला लागेल ना. Spread करा. Okay, good job. Spread करा. Myra, are you going to put some cheese on your pizza?
And some cheese.
So when we finish spreading our Mexican cheese on the bread, we're gonna start to like break these into smaller pieces and spread them around.
What is this? But
Oh, this is
Jack.
Jack Pepper.
Okay, Jack pepper. You like it?
Yeah, I mean, it's good, but I do like the Mexican cheese better.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love it.
And I don't.
Myra also loves cheese. Right, Myra?
Now the pizza is ready to go in the oven.
Myra, is your pizza ready?
It is not ready.
Oven is pretty hot now. 450 is almost ready. So we're going to add Wow,
Myra.
Myra!
That looks awesome.
Now the pizza is ready to eat in my tummy.
Our pizza, which is ready now to eat. Right, Andy?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you so much for being with me for this show. And Myra, thank you for joining me and Andy, and enjoy that pizza, okay?
Yummy, yummy.
So thanks for watching today's video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I Can Cook Too. And take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Oh my God.